Crikey, mate. The world is ever changing. As life and evolution reveal the new and the remarkable. Well, I've discovered an absolutely amazing new habitat that supports and empowers a very unique and wonderful creature, the freelancer. Now, a good freelancer is often sought for but hard to find. And there are freelancers all around the world. They are unique, diverse, and up until now, they had to survive alone or in a small pack. Well, mate, that's all changing as the future reveals itself as something wonderful. Bloomin' heck, this is exciting. Workily.com, the social network for freelancers, where professionals and freelancers all over the world can come together. It's a magical domain of real people offering great skills, collaborating and creating all over the world. Freelancers build their portfolios and link with other portfolios they've contributed to, building an actual rating and reliability profile. It's all real people, real results, and real interactions. All users, by their interactions, will build a rating that is genuine. It's thoughtfully designed so you can't fake it. This new habitat, workily.com or worker.ly, is free of charge and is destined to be the new way things are done, as unique skill sets are used worldwide to create a unique world.